In this week's court report, the Pahrump woman arrested after a fatal DUI crash that killed a bride-to-be and injured her fiancé no longer has her previously set jury trial dates scheduled in district court after the court vacated the current trial setting. That includes all dates affiliated with her case. Ashley Wynn was previously scheduled to be in court for a calendar call Monday, but when Wynn called district court, she was informed she did not have to appear. Court clerks say reps haven't reset the calendar call yet. Wynn was present for her last scheduled proceeding regarding an order shortening time change of venue. During that proceeding, Wynn's attorney argued for the trial to be held in Tonopah or Goldfield, but the court denied the motion to change the venue of the trial at this time. Wynn's attorney also requested to continue the trial out a few more months. Then the court instructed the case parties to arrange to set a new trial date. Wynn is facing the charges of DUI causing death and DUI causing bodily harm following that fatal accident at Honeysuckle Street and South Dandelion Street. She has pleaded not guilty, but there's no word yet on dates when Wynn's trial will be reset. One of the suspects arrested on kidnapping and other related charges for allegedly holding a female victim against her will for a week tested positive following court drug testing on the day of his scheduled arraignment hearing. So the court continued matters in all three of his currently open cases in district court. Calvin Beasley's test results were sent to the lab for confirmation. The court also changed the conditions of the defendant's OR release and ordered Beasley to submit to random drug testing. Beasley is accused, along with Samantha J. Keys, connected to that alleged kidnapping. As for Beasley, who's also facing firearm charges in this matter, the formal charges he's facing in each of his three district court cases are offense involving stolen firearm, offer, attempt, or commission of unauthorized acts, and challenge to fight. Beasley is scheduled in court next July 21st for his arraignment. The local man who reportedly stole a police car back in 2014 and was shot at during that incident, in addition to being tasered and pepper sprayed after he allegedly charged at officers, was rearrested twice on the same day. Charles David Plinsky was charged with hit-and-run property damage, failure to report accident to police, and duty to give information and render aid after a witness told police that a vehicle Plinsky was in struck the business fence in the 300 block of Emory, and the driver entered his work bay and was stealing items before he fled on foot. Police say Plinsky appeared to be highly agitated, nervous, and refused to stand still. Then, after Plinsky was booked into NCDC on those charges, an officer says Plinsky grabbed his handcuffs, then forcibly tried to take them. Then, while Plinsky was seated in front of the booking computer, he then tried to forcibly take a signature pad from that desk. The defendant was charged with robbery, battery by prisoner, and battery on a protected person connected to that day's second police incident. Plinsky now faces a slew of formal charges in justice court, including assault, 2 counts of resisting a public officer, and grand larceny in 2 separate justice court cases. He's scheduled for a pretrial hearing July 3rd. This has been your court report. I'm Eunette Gentry for News 46.